Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with the Apple iPhone 13, a renewed device that packs incredible features at an unbeatable value. Let's jump right in and explore what makes this iPhone a must-have. The Apple iPhone 13, available in a stunning green color, is the epitome of style and performance. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures. Now, let's talk about the price. Listed at $475.00, you can snag this gem for just $389.39, saving you a whopping $85.61 off the typical price. With Amazon Renewed, you can rest assured knowing your device has been inspected, tested, and refurbished to meet the highest standards. What sets the iPhone 13 apart from the rest? Let's dive into its impressive features. Sporting a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, you'll enjoy vibrant colors and crystal-clear visuals, perfect for streaming your favorite content and capturing memorable moments. The iPhone 13 also features 5G technology for super-fast downloads and high-quality streaming, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Plus, with cinematic mode in 1080p at 30 frames per second and Dolby Vision HDR video recording up to 4K at 60 frames per second, you can unleash your creativity and capture stunning videos like never before. Under the hood, the iPhone 13 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, delivering blazing fast performance and efficiency. With up to 19 hours of video playback and Face ID for enhanced security, it's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And let's not forget about durability. The iPhone 13 features a ceramic shield front and aerospace-grade aluminum, making it water-resistant up to a depth of 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. Plus, it's compatible with MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers for added convenience. With its sleek design, powerful features, and affordable price, the Apple iPhone 13 is a smartphone that ticks all the boxes. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Amazon Renewed store and make the iPhone 13 yours today. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy exploring!